This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, April the 1st, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, you can see some isolated showers and thunderstorms over Iowa and Illinois, and also across the Tennessee Valley and into the deep south, with some cloudiness also over the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from around midnight. The severe thunderstorm watch over Iowa, Illinois was until early this morning. Many red flag warnings across the plains and into the mountains, and some wind and wintry weather over the west. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock. This includes rain that fell last night, especially in the eastern counties. Rainfall amounts between about 1/10 and maybe 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch possible over the next 5 days. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a ridge overhead, so it'll be warm and mostly sunny after the thunderstorms overnight. And looking at the surface, some showers and storms over Illinois into Indiana and Ohio. But here, it'll be warm, temperatures in the 80s and even a few low 90s possible across the area. Heading into Monday, we have a storm system developing off to our west. Maybe a shower or thunderstorm late in the day, and by Tuesday that storm moves out, especially during the morning hours, with clearing behind, and temperatures will cool off back into the 60s, no 80s and 90s behind this system. Wednesday there will be an upper level low close up to us, but it won't be affecting the state. Could be some increased cloudiness over the southwestern counties, at least according to this run, with temperatures still in the 60s to near 70. Same goes for Thursday, some increased clouds maybe over the southern counties, but it's still remaining dry and temperatures in the 60s to near 70. Friday, that's gone, and here comes the next system over the high plains. Some shower and thunderstorm activity from the Dakotas through Nebraska into Kansas will remain dry, and temperatures beginning to warm back up in the 60s and 70s. By Saturday, next weekend, there's a pretty good amount of energy coming into the northern plains and upper Midwest, with a trough over that area, bringing some showers and thunderstorms possible here by Saturday of Easter weekend. So at least Easter weekend Saturday doesn't look too great, but by Sunday that storm has moved off and temperatures will be cooled off, probably back into the 60s, maybe a few 50s. Be much cooler on Easter for your services and whatnot. A few days later, the 13th, we have a trough over New England, a trough over the west, and a ridge in the middle. And when there's a ridge in the middle part of the country, that means it's going to be warm with some isolated popcorn showers and thunderstorms, as we're heading into the middle part of April by this point, with some of that activity even further west. And a few days later, on the 17th, we have some energy coming up into Nebraska and into the western part of the state, with another trough over the Pacific Northwest. And that means we'll have some shower and thunderstorm activity here. Maybe some high elevation snow over the Cascade Mountain Range in the northwest. Still remaining warm, however. And a day later, at the end of the forecast, on the 16th, some shower and thunderstorm activity mainly early in the day, with clearing by the evening hours. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Monday.